information overload about stocks, the economy, geopolitical concerns, you name it. This can be incredibly dangerous. I'll tell you why, and also how you can protect yourself. The problem with infobesity or information overload is that the boring or more reasonable commentary, the kind that might actually help you, gets buried underneath the eye-popping, extreme, sexy, racier headlines. And the problem with this is that if you're following these headlines, you're more likely to react from an emotional standpoint instead of from logic. Here's a few tips to help you cut through the fat to what's really important. So number one, trusted news source. Make sure that you do your research first before you start following and listening to news headlines. It's really important to get a trusted business news source so that you can get accurate and reliable information. I always make sure that I look for an opposing viewpoint to some sort of idea or information that I'm following. This helps fight confirmation bias. Just because somebody sold a book doesn't mean that the information that they're giving you is accurate. In fact, they might be making inflammatory comments so that you'll go out and purchase that book. So be critical in your thinking about who the information is coming from and what their motivation is. And number four, if the headline that you're reading gives you a thrill or a chill, give yourself at least 24 hours to think about it, and you still feel like action must be taken, go and talk to a professional or someone with experience. They're more than likely going to be able to put that information into context and frame it for you. I'm Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.